Leciał sam outer space i na země jiný svět. Chtějí mě vidět dead, chtějí mě vidět wreck, ale ne, možná another day, chtějí vidět můj grave.
Hiya guys, hello, welcome to the last video of the beginner's guide to formal elements. This one is going to be about texture, so how are textures being created to make art and how they are used to basically show like emotions or something like that, and obviously, like I said earlier, like a few seconds ago, how it's been used in. So for texture, like I said earlier, texture is basically used everywhere. So basically textures are used for art, or basically when you're like building and all, especially like in clay, that can be used to create text. That basically can be used for like a lot of texture, and etc. So texture can be like bricks, even like rough drawings and all, where you basically just use the paints and all that stuff that you need, etc., and all that stuff. Sometimes you have like texture outside of a cup, like I've already said, and all, and also the fact that this bird has texture, but you can't quite see it, but you can feel. In my case, I do feel texture. For example, the wings of a bird of this. Also, you can find them along floors and tree barks. That's an example of texture. So basically, textures, like I said, is all around us. Like the tree right here, that's a lot of textures, including the baubles. To be honest with you, they have texture from like overlays or like patterns and all that stuff. So we're going to go into the activities now. This one's going to be quite fun for all of you. If not, then. So for activities, this is going to be everyone, for beginners and experts, so you all get just like one joint activity. Now for your activity, you are basically using the things around you. You can either have a tea bag, or if you got some equipment from last few videos that we did, you can use those to create the texture. You can like spend some time doing this. For the tea bag texture, you have to try and dry it. And also same goes for one if you're trying to make the paint texture, because acrylic paints, acrylics, oils and watercolors are basically used for textures as well. So I'm going to give you guys a few minutes to do that. If not, you can pause the video and then you can jump over to the ending for the final time for this formal elements. So I'll see you guys around the ending. Just take your time. So this is the end of the formal elements tutorials. If you do want more tutorials, please let me know, because I'd love to have you guys review on how it went. So basically, if you do want to subscribe for more tutorials, then please do, because it'll mean so much. And yeah, this is it from Kitsune Does Art Tutorials. I will see you guys probably in the next video of another tutorial and all. So see you guys later. Bye.